studio vlog. My name is Jessica and this is my art studio where I run Jessica Lynn Illustration. Sorry I do not have any makeup on. I had just recently showered and it is nighttime, so I will be going to bed soon. So last week's vlog I posted about launching my website and opening my shop for the very first time. I got some products in and it was so exciting. So this week's vlog I'm going to include some of packing my first orders. So thank you guys so much if you had placed an order. I appreciate it so much. Every time I got a notification on my phone I got so excited. But if you haven't checked out the shop, I will link it in the description below if you want to stop by and just see what I have available. In this week's vlog there's going to be some packing orders. I have some packages to open and I'm going to be getting ready for my Halloween/October shop update, which is also really exciting. Right now, this is my little storage bin for pretty much everything, all my products for the shop. I haven't quite figured out how I want to organize stuff for the shop so that way I don't have to keep digging. But I kind of just like made stuff and put them in here. I got my packaging. These are freebie stickers, some print packs that I made up, sticker sheets that I have ready to go, washi tape that I like to use on, some twine, and my keychains are here in the back. This is kind of just where I've been storing all my stuff for the shop. I definitely need to come up with some kind of organization system. There are some storage bins I saw on Mira Byler's channel. She got them from the Container Store, and I looked and the closest Container Store to me is 2 hours one way in each direction, and if I try to order it online it would take a month to get here. So they are exactly what I want, so maybe I will just end up getting them, but I might keep looking and see if I can find something in the meantime. I want to show you guys something that I might add to the shop. I'm not quite sure yet, so I wanted your opinion, but I designed this, I guess you could call it like a notepad or letter design. I used my watercolor fall leaf and I did a grid, and these were just some test prints. This one is standard quality and this one is a high quality on my printer, and I wanted to see the difference. Obviously the high quality is better. They both look pretty good on camera, but this is zoomed in. The left is the standard quality and it's a little bit fuzzier, and if you look really close up you can see the dots, whereas the right side's the high quality and it's a lot more smoother of a print. For right now I've just been using them as like to write little notes in my packages, and I even made a little version too. You can't see the grid on this one because these were standard quality test prints and I lightened the grid a little too much on these, but I thought these might be cute to make as like either a big notepad or little notepads. But I wanted to get your opinion. These are a little more time consuming to make because I have to print quite a few sheets, cut them as precise as possible. I might use the Cricut, but I was worried about the paper sticking to the Cricut too much and either ripping it or curling. I already have the glue and the backing board to make it, so I just want to hear your thoughts on these, if you guys would be interested in seeing them in the shop. I'm actually going to be doing a sticker trade with Bia from a Pen Yes Illustrator. So I wanted to pack some stuff up for her. She agreed to do a sticker trade with me, which I thought was so lovely. So thank you, Bia, if you get to see this. And I'm gonna include one of my 5x7 prints of I Love Fall most of all, just because I have an extra one printed and I thought it'd be a nice little touch to add for her package. And I'm gonna write her a note on this paper, and I'm gonna get this all packaged up and send this out to her. She is in Portugal, so this will be my first ever international package to send. So I'm a little nervous, but we'll see. I'm very excited for her to get this. I don't know what fall is like down in Portugal. I actually don't even know if she has fall. So this might be a little nice Western New York, USA fall package to send down to her. So I can't wait till she gets this. I've also accrued quite a stack of packages. Thank God I have a full-time job to support my hobby, right? Raise your hand in the comments if you are the same way. So I think I'm gonna open just a couple in this vlog, and then I'll open the rest in next week's vlog, so I don't bore you guys with too many packages. Hey, from a weird angle, I want to bring you guys down to the floor to open some packages. So the first one, well actually these first two packages are gifts from Thomas that he got me. He's so sweet. But this, if you can tell by the box, is a scale. Ooh, did he give me a turquoise one? He got me a turquoise one to match my room. So thoughtful. But he got me this kitchen scale because when I launched my website, I had to weigh things, which, I mean, I should have known, but I didn't. And he has his own business where he ships stuff, so he has a scale, and I kept bugging him and going in his room and being like, hey, can you weigh this? Can you weigh this? He wanted me to just have my own scale now that I'm shipping stuff. So we live in the country, and I wouldn't say it happens a whole lot, but probably more than the average household. But we get power blips out here where the power will flicker off and then come right back on, like within a minute. So what this does is that keeps everything that's plugged into this running during that blip, so nothing shuts down. I was filming a lengthy tutorial video a couple weeks ago, and we had several power blips, and I lost lots of footage. My computer shut down, so I was really frustrated, and he kindly secretly bought this for me and my computer so that I don't lose footage next time I'm filming or lose anything that's not saved on my computer. The eco-friendly vegetable starch bags. I realized when I opened my shop that I didn't have a bigger size, so this is like 9 by 11 1/4, so they can fit really big prints that are like 8.5 by 11. I have 50 bubble mailers. The reason that I got these is because I was packing my clay pins in envelopes, and I went to the post office and they're like, you can't do this, you're gonna be charged all this money. What you need to do is put it in a padded envelope and it will charge you less. So I was like, oh, okay. I didn't know because I've never really shipped stuff before. So I didn't want to discontinue making the clay pins because I love making the clay pins. So instead I bought just these small bubble mailers that'll be specifically used for clay pin orders. And then I got these little clear washi tape holders because I was putting some washi tape on my packages and it was a pain to hold it and rip it while holding the package. So I saw some people use this, and it actually came in a set of 2. This was really cheap. I think it was like $8. But you can get several washi tapes in each, and then they stack on top of each other, and I can have these I can have these on my desk when I'm packaging orders to be more easily accessible. So let me show you my plans for my Halloween/October update to give you guys a little like sneak peek. So in my ugly sketchbook, I have some really rough sketches of my ideas. So this is a couple of sticker ideas and some clay pin ideas. They're really rough sketches, but it gives me an idea of some designs and color palettes to use. Once I have my basic ideas down in my sketchbook, I then cut 4x6 watercolor paper and sketch out my designs larger with more detail. So I have 7 designs here. So this is, I think it's called a planchette. It's what you use on a Ouija board. Then I have a little scary looking Kiki. I have a witch's hat, witch's brew teacup with some herbs and potions, scary jack-o'-lantern. This will be a crystal, which doesn't look like much right now. I have another moth. I guess my color theme that I'm going for with this shop update is going to be like black, purple, and maybe like yellow. I might also add gold. These are my favorite metallic watercolors by Fine Tech. So I'm thinking that for the illustrations, I will use a gold on the moon. I don't know if it's going to scan well. I may have to do some color correcting and adjusting once I scan them in Photoshop. So I'm thinking a possibility. I don't know if it'll work out, but if I, for example, do a mini print of the moth, and I'll print it on my 230 GSM matte paper, and then do some hand-painted gold accents on it and sell that. I'm not sure if that would work well or if that's something you guys would be interested in purchasing, but I just thought it would be something neat to do because the gold looks so good when it's actually painted. I don't know how it's gonna look when it's scanned, so that's my only concern. So that is it for this week's studio vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps me out, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Next week's vlog, I will be doing a lot of my Halloween/October shop update stuff, so be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and if you place an order in my shop, thank you so much. I am forever grateful for you guys. Oh, wait, I forgot to mention that I will be doing a giveaway from some items in my shop to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. I didn't really do anything to celebrate that, and because I was really focused on getting the shop ready. So stay tuned for details on that. I'm going to be mentioning the giveaway and giving out additional details after I do my October Halloween shop up. You guys should go follow me on Instagram because that's where you're going to hear first about my giveaway. Okay, now that should be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.